Alright guys, back on the Chick. It is Memorial Day. Weather is supposed to not be good, so I don't think there's as many boats out as there normally would be, but right now it's super nice. I think it may storm in a few hours, but we're gonna see what happens. The cicadas are everywhere, kid. Yeah, they are. It's awesome. It'll be wild to see one smack one. Oh, there. I'm assuming that's what the gar are going for. There you go. It ain't big, but it exists. There we go. Get that skunk out the boat. There we go, guys. Number one of, I'm thinking 30 today. Good. Good. Told you, son. Dude, that was sick. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Dude, that was fun. I told you, man. The pink popper. That's pretty good. Like a little 2-pounder or so. I'm just liking the fight. Get the net if you need me to, but I'm kind of liking watching you battle this thing. Yeah, he's a good one. You got him. There we go. Dude. It's a healthy one. That's actually a pretty nice fish. I mean, sometimes you need the expert captain guidance to tell you that they're taking those smaller
Reynolds Guided Tours, folks.
Yep. I tell you what, they're the best. They pick you up and bring you. Tell you what to use. Take all the credit even though it's not really mine. That's how these work. But no, that's a good one. That's a hot start to the day right there. I mean, it's nice, but sometimes there you go. I mean, it's a giant. But I'm on the big pattern. Number 3. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. That's a better one. Ain't nothing special. I'll take any bite I can get. Oh, spinnerbait. Spinnerbait, guys. Spinnerbait. Try it out. Oh, baby. That's a good fish. I mean, that's some exciting jump. He's wild. I'm almost feeling like to tighten that drag son. He choked on it, man. Damn, that is. He inhaled it. Down the hatch. Another good one. That's fun. Nice. 6 bass on the day too. Craig, you definitely have the best too. Just downsizing for the cicadas. I don't know if you can actually hear them on the GoPro, but it is crazy loud out here. Let's get back at it. Might be where I need to be. I'm on all the dinkers today. So we should probably get somewhere. Yeah, we should get into the creek. Like, as much as I like the thought of this isolated spot. Yeah. Oh, got it. Nice. Nice. Giant bass. Hey, whatever. Look at that aggressive cast on. That I'll never get back. If you want to take a risk, you just head to the pipe or something. Ooh. I mean, I'm not against it. I know you're not really feeling me, and it's gonna get so sharp, so thin you can't. That's all you can do. tries to run into it. You know, great casts like that have just been getting rewarded the last 30 minutes to an hour.
Just all day long.
Oh, that's a big
good
fish.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That ain't bad there.
That's a good one, even better.
You got one?
Yeah, this is even better. I mean, look at that.
Dude, you actually made me stop looking at my I thought I was like, what? That's a good, damn, that's the one of the day for me there.
Yep.
Finally. Right when I was talking junk. Craig got that white perch, man. That's solid right there.
That double up. I mean,
yeah.
That bass is all right, but white perch?
That's a nice one.
Gotta be 3.
Let's go, baby. Maybe. It's probably close. I'm going to go 287. He's pretty thick. I don't feel like I've ever seen that before.
It's hopping everywhere,
huh? We moved quite a bit, didn't we? Good call, son. 306.
So that gut on that thing had to make it a 3. Solid fish.
3.06, guys. Gotta say, that is a nice gut on it. He tomahawked it.
I think it came at the speed.
Like that. I mean, we are on bigs only. Gonna give it a minute here, guys.
Oh, and the wind started pulling with that. Nice. Real nice, guys. Real nice. In the most unlikely temperatures. Nice.
Anything is possible.
Nice. Oh, that's a better one.
I mean,
let's go. Woo! That's awesome. Man, spinnerbait around the trees. Let's go.
I mean, it ain't big, but we'll take it. They're lively, right? Oh my gosh, yeah, they're hurting every time I catch one. Better one. One of the better ones you caught on that today. Probably the best one you caught on that, actually. Yeah, I've been avoiding the fanfare, but you know, I'll give him some look. There he is.
Oh yeah.
He's on the board again. He's caught like 5 or 6 on that, but that's definitely the best one for that lure during this stormy weather. There he is. Backside of him.
There we go.
That's the big one we were waiting on.
Yep. Knew we had to be there.
Yeah. Like, we had a spot back there we caught 4 like immediately. That's 3 in like an 80-yard stretch. That's another one. That one at least exists. He's not huge, but he ain't bad.
Hey, it's a fish.
Like that's a real fish. Yeah, I was gonna say it's actually a fish. All right. This is one of probably my top numbers day in Chick River history, honestly. That's not a bad one. Dude, this is fun if anything wasn't.
That's a good one. That's a better fish.
There we go. Oh, it did. It finally broke. I told you. Let's go. Let's go. The worst spinnerbaits in the world. You knew it eventually would happen. Guys, we've been joking all trip about how that would eventually happen because it happens to every single one of those Terminator, like, whatever they're called, stainless steel ones. P1s or something. Oh my goodness. Do not buy. Please do not buy.
Damn. They've all been kind of the same size too.
Yeah. Is this a big one?
No, I don't think so.
Oh my God, it is. And you're around the...
I'm around that log.
I'm gonna do the best I can. He actually is gonna come out there for you. I can't. I'm gonna have to turn the motor on. Oh, dude. This is a pretty big one. It's like a 3-pounder. Look at that Craig, son. Look at that Craig right now, kid. I'm liking this live action right now. He'd probably just rather me get it.
Let's go, son.
There you go.
I don't know. That might be 3.5.
That's a 3.5. I don't think it's 4, but that's a damn nice catch. Let's go.
Let's go.
There you go, dude. We'll put it on the scale. Oh my God, dude, it knocked it. That was crazy.
Dude, I heard that.
That was nuts. It knocked it straight. It knocked the bait like 5 feet in the air and didn't even get it. I think. Look at him. I don't know what it is. He's got the Cinco.
Oh, he did.
Yeah. I don't know what he is. Something small, clearly. Love it. Got him nervous now.
I mean, tends to make you a little more aware.
Yeah, you're a little less cocky about anything after that happens.
Yeah, taking one is a little weird. Also,
whoa! There. That's a good one. It's right back. I mean, he went right back for it.
let's go. Nice. He waited for it.
I'll say that damn thing was in there, won't it? Dang.
Yeah.
He was hungry. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a day. We fished from about 7 a.m. to, I guess it's close to 3 p.m. So 8 hours. We did pretty well. I'd say we caught close to above 30. A lot of small fish. I'd say we caught probably 15 or so really small ones. We caught maybe 10 or so decent keeper size bass, and then I think the best one, Craig, was a little over 3.5. So not a bad day. The bag probably around 13.5, 14 pounds. Again, nothing special, didn't catch a big one, but a lot of action. Kind of got stormed on. So overall, I'd consider it a success. But anyway, gonna go ahead and load up the boat. Appreciate you watching.